I'm Zoe.
And I'm Kaylee.
And we're the Teenage Farmstead. Today we're going to be bringing you guys along to do our morning chores. This is our barn, and let's go get started.
Okay, welcome to our feed and tack area. So I'm going to do the horse because that's what I do in the mornings for my chores. So I have a scooper here and I fill sweet feed and easy keeper up to that line. And then I mix it. And I always add a little bit of ginger because it's really good for their digestive system. And then I go grab the hay.
Okay guys, so my job in the morning is to feed the goats, and so I just take my scooper and get them out some alfalfa pellets, and then I also run over and grab some hay.
This is where we keep our hay, and I normally just do one square in the morning, so. And then I have a little hay net in a bucket right here.
And then for the goats, I usually just grab one little bale and carry it and put it in their shelter.
Okay, so I dropped his feet off there, and then I always tie the hay knot to this board up here. Okay. This is Dusty, and he's a paint horse, and he has his blanket on because it's been pretty chilly. He's kind of dirty too, so.
Okay guys, so over here is where we feed the goats. You can just by their shelter. And we have their little feeding trough over here, so I'm just gonna sprinkle their grain in here. And this one kind of gets bullied, so we usually find like a extra container or something to feed her in. Okay, so the last thing that I do with the goats is just throw their hay in their shelter. Sometimes we sprinkle it on the ground, but it rained yesterday, so it's pretty muddy, so I'm just going to stick it in there, and then they can go in there and eat it.
Barrel, and I'm just going to grab half a scoop because Zoe's grabbing scraps. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is Jack, and he's my cat. He's a black cat, so a lot of people will be scared of him, but he's the sweetest cat.
And this is Diane. She's not as friendly as Jack there. She has a little bit of an attitude, but she's still so sweet. She doesn't like to be held very much.
Okay, now we're going to carry some seed starters outside.
Down to the greenhouse.
Yep. We have a lot of peppers, basil, we have different spices, tomatoes.
Here we have a whole bunch of different kinds of flowers.
Okay, so at the back of our greenhouse we have a little water, so I'm going to fill our spray bottle up with water so that we can water the plant starters.
Hey guys, so we also wanted to introduce y'all to our bunnies. These are the New Zealand breed. They're super pretty. That's what they look like.
Okay, this is our boy goats, and that brown one is Chester, and that black one is Bucky, and they're both Nigerian dwarfs. Okay, so this is our dog Sasha, and she's very friendly and very hyper, but she will jump on you, definitely. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!